good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today again we are here for the study. Am I right? Yes. So let's start our work with date, day and weather. You want to discuss the date? You want to discuss the weather? You want. I know it very well. Because you all are the awesome kids. I told you as well. Let's start. Could you tell me the yesterday date? What date was the yesterday? Yesterday was 30th June. Now June is finished. It's end. June is end. It's finished. June is finished. Now, yes, what's come after June? July. Now it's a July. Which month is now? July. Alright. And today the date is, my dear student, first we will discuss the date. Today date is 7 July 2020. Could you tell me the day? Yes, first come after Tuesday. Wednesday. How's weather? Look at the sky. Clouds? No. Drizzling? No. Rain? No. Then? Yes, a bright sun is outside. Today is sunny day because a bright sun is outside. It's sunny day because bright sun is outside. Could you tell me the season? Which season is going on? It's summer season. Which season is going on? It's summer season. Which season is going on? It's summer season. It was all about day and weather. Oh, you want to sing the rhyme? Which rhyme? Day rhyme. Okay, sing with me. Head and shoulder, knee and toe. Day by we are grow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays. It was all about our information and updates, date, weather and season. You know what we are going to learn in English today? We are going to write sound ka. Sound k. What sound we are going to learn? Ka. We are clicking customers. We are clicking customers. Now I'll show the k sound. K. Look at this. It's k sound. What is this? K. What is this? K. How to write? You have to start it from there, down, and a k. It's a curvy k. It's a curvy k. Carrot. Carrot. What is this? Carrot. Cane. Cake. Cane. Cake. Carrot. Carrot. Cake. Cane. Okay. Now I'll trace. How to trace? Put your two fingers like this, and this. What is this? Just feel it. Okay? Just feel it. It's. What is this? It's. So, should I write it on the board? Okay, now I'm going to draw the line. Do you have 2 lines in your English notebook? No, no, no. Do you have 1 line? No, no, no. Do you have 3 lines? No, no, no. You have 4 lines. I will draw the 4 lines here. How to write ka? You have to start it from there. You have to write in between 2 lines. You have to left the first above line and start it from there. आपको ऊपर वाले लाइन को छोड़ देना है. आपने सिर्फ दूसरी लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है और तीसरी के साथ टच करना है. अगर आप उसको आउट कर देंगे, बाहर निकाल देंगे, इट विल बी रॉन्ग, बैड वर्क. ओके, तो अब लेट्स स्टार्ट. यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Karvik, Karvik. I'll show you the picture of carrot, picture of cane, and the picture of kid. No, I'll draw by myself some new pictures. Memorize, fast. Car. I have to draw the car. Car cookies. These are the cookies. Okay, car cookies. Some other thing. Fast think, hurry up. Tell me the things which beginning with sound ka. Ka coconut, ka cucumber. It's a cucumber. Ka cucumber, it's a cucumber. And ka coconut. It's in a brown color. Ka cucumber and ka coconut. It was all about ka. Now you will write ka sound in your workbooks also. Alright, neat and clean. See me playing on my drum. See me playing on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with the da 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 da. We are learning da. We are learning da. We are learning da. You have to write it like this. Down, down. Then back and touch it like this. Alright? I'll write in the board, then watch it. Da, duck. Do you see the duck? It's so cute. Da, dog. Da, drum. Da, duck. The starting sound of duck is da, duck. Da, dog. Da, drum. Da, duck. Da, dog. Da, drum. So, should I write it on the board? Okay, I'm going to write it on the board. You have 4 lines in your English notebook. Okay, let's see how to write da. Da is a sky letter. You start it from the top. आपने इसे फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. like this, go down, down, and then back, touch it, and a flick, right? Go down. You can write it like this also. Alright? You have to start it from there. आपने इसी लाइन में वापस ऊपर जाना है, सेमी सर्कल, और फिर इसका लिटिल फ्लिक. Alright? It's a da. Da. What is it? Da. Da door. Alright? Da door. Da door. Da door. I am drawing the dinosaurs. Da dinosaurs. Da dinosaurs. What is it? Da dinosaurs. Da dinosaur. The door and the dinosaur. See me playing on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the da da da. The sound is da. What we learn today? Da. 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 And da. Drum. Alright, it was our today's lesson.
Okay, my dear students, now look at the picture. Yes, all pictures belong to the sound kha. Okay, it's for today's work. Here you write the date and here D. Now trace the kha sound. Trace this kha sound 3 times. Alright, trace this kha sound 3 times. Now these are the pictures. Kha, cat, k, cat, k, cup, k, car. Okay, you have to color in these pictures, but while doing colors, be careful. Just do the color inside the picture. Don't go out from the border line. Do neat and clean color. Now the second page is again your today's work. See, you have to write here k. You have to write here k. You have to write here k. And do the color in cake. Okay, do the color in cake. Then you can see the dotted lines here. Trace all dotted lines with your pencil. Hold your pencil tightly. Trace all dotted lines. Okay. Whenever you are writing, be careful. Just trace on the dots. Okay, don't do self-writing here. You can see under the curve. Here you have to do the self-writing. You have to write curve from there to there. आपने खा इन पूरी पर 2 लाइन्स में ही लिखना है, 2 लाइन से आउट नहीं होना. You start it from there and do like this. It's a k sound. So these 2 pages you have to do at home today. Okay. Watching this is a da sound. I told you how to write da. See, first make a kha and then go up. Again come down and a little flick. Remember, always do the writing with the correct formation. आप हमेशा डा यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे सेकेंड लाइन से. फर्स्ट आप इसे राउंड करेंगे, फिर आप अपने डा को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, आप फिर उस ही लाइन पे वापस आएंगे. ठीक है, और फिर इसका लिटिल फ्लिक बनाएंगे. एंड लाइक यू कैन सी ड हेयर, आपने ड यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है। पहले आप ख सेमी सर्कल बनाएंगे, देन गो अप और फिर उसी लाइन पे वापस आएंगे एंड आप फ्लिक। आप पहले सारे ये वाले डॉट ट्रेस करेंगे, उसके बाद आप सेल्फ राइटिंग करेंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे, पहले आप ख बनाएंगे, देन गो अप and come again down and a little flick. Remember that thing, आपने डा ऊपर से नहीं शुरू करना, यूँ नहीं लिखना, इट्स अ रॉन्ग पैटर्न। आपने डा यहाँ से शुरू करना है, सी सर्कल बनाना है, सी ख साउंड, फिर वापस आना है और ऐसे। ऑलराइट, द डायनासोर्स, कलर इन द डायनासोर्स, द डायनासोर्स, द duck, the deer and the drum.